Hi students, exercise 1.1 question number 2. Find the inverse if exists given matrix 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. We are asked to find the inverse if it exists. So let us take let A is equal to the given matrix 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. We are going to find determinant of A. So determinant of A, as we know, the first row takes the plus minus plus symbol. So plus minus plus. So we expand along the first row. So we get 5 in 2. So deleting the corresponding row and column. The remaining elements are taken. So 5, 1, 1, 5. Similarly, for the next element, we find the minor. So minus 1 into deleting the second row and the second column and the second row. We get 1, 1, 1, 5 plus 1 into 1, 5, 1, 1. So this is equal to 5 into 25 into 5, 25 minus 1. Minus 1 into 5, 5. Minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 into 5, 5. So this is equal to 5 into 24 minus 1 into 4 plus 1 into minus 4. So we get 120 minus 4 minus 4, which is equal to 120 minus 8 is equal to 112. 112 not equal to 0. So we have seen that if previous video that if determinant is not equal to 0, we call that as A is non-singular. Only if the matrix is non-singular, inverse exists. So we say A is non-singular, therefore we write that A inverse exists, and we are going to find what is this A inverse. We know the formula to calculate A inverse. So what is the formula? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into edge of A. So we are going to find this edge of A. So how to find this edge of A? We have seen the shortcut method in the previous video. Here is another method which must be written in the rough work. So write all the elements of the given matrix. 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. So I repeat the elements 4 times. So next I write it as again 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. Again I repeat the element. So 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. Again I repeat the element. So 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. So the matrix is being written 4 times. Now next step, delete the elements along the margin. First row, first column, last row and the last column is deleted. So we have deleted the first row, first column, last row, last column. Now write the remaining elements. We know that edge of A. Here next we come for the fab column to find the edge of A. So edge of A, how to write edge of A? Edge A is equal to, we know it is AIG cotranspose of the cofactor matrix. So now 5 into 5, 25 minus 1, 24. So take the first 2 columns, simplify column wise, write it row wise. 1 into 1, 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. 1 into 1, gain 1 minus 5 gives us minus 4. So we have simplified along the column and written it along the first 2 columns and written it along the first row. So this is the first step. Next step, take the next 2 columns. 1 into 1, 1 minus 5 gives us minus 4. 5 into 5, 25 minus 1. 25 minus 1 gives us plus 24. Next 1 into 1, 1 minus 5 gives us minus 4. So simplify along the column wise and write it row wise. Last step, we take the last 2 columns So the last two columns are here. 1 into 1 gives us 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Again 1 minus 5 gives us minus 4. 25 minus 1 gives us 24. So this is edge of A. This is, we have written it in the rough column. Next, finding A inverse. So how are we going to find A inverse? A inverse we know is equal to 1 by determinant of A, that is 112, into the adjoint, that is 24 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 24 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 and 24. Now the elements along the elements in the edge of A are all the multiples of 4. So we take 4 out and can be written as 4 divided by 112 into, so we take 4 out, the remaining elements are 6 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 6 minus 1 and minus 1 minus 1 6. So 4 1 by 28. So this is the value for A inverse.